What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders? I got another bike in that's getting a lot of work done, but I'm going to be adding some new lights to it. Cool new feature. Check them out. Alright, we got the ShowChrome Slayer turn signals. They're sequential and dotless, new school for 2024. Plus they're tinted. So we're gonna add these to the fender, which is cool. I already took the fenders off the bike already because the bike's getting wrapped and it needed replacement fenders. But let me just show you what's in the box. So this is what we got in the box. Here's the turn signals, installation instructions. It's plug and play, no splicing wires. And let me show you the cool feature. Not only are they dotless, these are tinted black with a bevel design. So this right here is gonna make, it's gonna keep the black. This right here is gonna keep the whole black colorway together and get rid of that orange reflector. And they light up. So after I hook them up, you're going to see how it looks. But these are awesome. So remember, you're going to have to remove your fender. So since I've already removed the fender with the 4 bolts, because the fender's getting wrapped and replaced anyway, you're going to take out this light. You're going to take this off. You're going to find a screw right behind the reflector. You're going to find 2 screws underneath. Pop this light out. And the whole plug and play kit is going to be in the box. So let's get busy. But first, remember, we're going to have to drill a hole. We're going to have to drill a hole behind here after we take it off to allow the wiring to go through. Tools you're going to need: torque, 10mm, drill, and a bit. And that's pretty much it. You should be able to knock this out in about a half hour, 45 minutes. So since I got the fender off and I'm replacing the outer fender, just show you, it's clipped in. And it has these 1, 2, supposed to be 3 bolts holding it in. And because of the damage, somebody used zip ties. So I'll be removing that, pushing the clips, and the outer fender should come right out. So we marked our hole where we're going to run the wires through, and we're going to drill the hole so we can run the wires in it. So as long as we marked it, we just lined it up, and then we're just going to slowly and carefully drill a hole. Just like so. And we're going to run the wire for the new turn signal directly through the hole here. Alright, after you drill the hole, just make sure you don't have any shavings there or anything popped up that's not going to let it sit flush. Just make sure you don't have any shavings there that's not going to prevent it from sitting flush, because you want it to go flush in just like that. Alright, flush in. Then you're going to peel the 3mm backing off and just stick it on. Since it's plug and play, you're going to connect that to that. This is going to be stuffed in there because this is going to be where your original light, your daytime running light, and your original blinker goes. And then these two are going to plug into the OEM Can-Am light. Alright, so did the lights, the sequential turn signals are done, installed. Just a quick reminder, you don't have to do what I did, removing the fender and separating the fenders from the 2 pieces. You could just remove the fender from the 4 bolts and work from underneath. The only reason I did it because I had to replace the fenders on this. So if you look at the turn signal now, it's black. So if we light it up, see where we get that smooth set of lights where it's not just a dot, a dot, a dot, a dot. And there's the sequence. So you see that effect? It eliminates all those little dots that used to be before in the fenders. Now this is the new style. And it's beveled. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful accent to your bike. Well, that's it. If you need to get the Slayer sequential turn signals, they fit for the Can-Am Ryker and for the Can-Am Spyder. You can get it at, of course, ShowChrome, any of your local retailers or online retailers that have parts. All right? Peace out, everybody. Ride safe. See you in the next one. Ride safe.